Hey everyone, greetings. It's New York Dan here, and I got the Lionel trains to show you guys. I'm at an event today. Yeah, it's not at my place, guys. I don't have it in the basement. Nope. This is a professional train set. It's beyond Cowpote's abilities to set it up. This one has like 3 trains running at once. Check this out. This is the tribute train I was talking about in my video last night. The military tribute. Yeah, we're gonna take a closer look at that. I like these little houses that are lit up too. Here's the tribute train. Top secret. Wow. Up here we have a trolley. New York City Transit. You know what I'm gonna do for you guys? I'm gonna film this in 4K. Yeah, and put a real clear clip up. We'll put it up, check the background out here. Yeah, what do you think? Does this deserve 4K? Here's a real Lionel transformer. Look at that, huh? So check it out, guys. They got a nice spread of food here. I had to have breakfast with coffee when I get up. I can't do stuff on low blood sugar, unfortunately. I did get a slice of pizza. I may have gotten one of these chocolate chippers, only one. None of the cupcakes, none of the other stuff. Just a piece. I don't know if they have any left. Oh, you're in luck. They got a couple pieces left of the cheese pizza. I heard my friend got 10 pies of pizza for the event. Yeah, it's Wellness Month on my channel. Did I mention that? Here's the deal. I'm gonna film this one in 720 and look for the trains, only the trains. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the trains in 4K and put that up separate. But yeah, they have like artwork here on display and tables are set up here for people. Yeah, it's a cool event. I'll show you in the other room. They have a huge room where the trains are set up. This used to be a library, a town library. Look at this. That's probably a vintage projector. Look at that thing. Yeah, now they got these laser projectors. I was just researching it. 4K laser projector. But believe it or not, it's not really a laser projector. The laser is just like the light source. It still uses LCD. I was geeking out on this the other night when I heard Nomadic Fanatic got a laser projector. I'm like, what's that all about? How does that work? Yeah. So like I said, I'm gonna do the 4K clip. Believe it or not, Long Island Ken is at the event. Yup. He is here, guys. I'll show you the background here. Check this out. We got a Christmas tree here. I'm gonna show you. It's all about Christmas, baby. I'll go over to the tree. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Pretty cool, huh? And the best part is I didn't have to decorate it or put it up. Huh? This is really cool. Check out this model plane hanging from the ceiling. That's hardcore. You may not be able to see the size of that from here. Yeah, pretty neat stuff, huh? Hit the thumbs up. Your friend, New York Dan, and I hope I don't have that damn Godzilla effect going on. This is the phone. This is the culprit right here. And I have stabilization on too. And I'm using an SD card. I don't know if I trust it. I'm gonna show you a secret studio back here. So check this out. This is a secret studio, and my friend has all the stuff. He saves the boxes. Yeah, look at this. It's a PT boat. How cool is that? He saves the boxes for all the train stuff. That's what makes it valuable. You see how big these Lionels are? Yeah. You know what, guys? I forgot. I'm filming this. I had it in 4K for the train set. I am doing 100% 4K now. I don't know if I can edit that. Here's a battleship. This thing is massive. You may not realize how big that is from the footage. Yeah, I'll show you some of the action. This ice skating rink, it actually works. It must be magnetic. You see the figures moving around? That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, Dad, you have no classes Monday.
It's a little fantasy village here. This is amazing. I'm gonna show you the tribute train. There's music in the background. That might be a copyright problem. I'm gonna see if I can film this at night, if my friend will give a private demonstration. Look, there's even a searchlight on that with a bulb. This is the military tribute train. I got a close-up shot of it while it's parked here. Look at that. It's a gunnery car. This one's the Polar Express. That's like the Santa themed. Yeah. It's a special themed train. You see that car? Polar Express with a steam engine. Look at the cannon. Look at that thing, man. That's the military tribute train. Air Force. Operation, you see what it says there? Operation Iraqi Freedom. That's the tribute. Yeah, the controls are right here. We can get her started up. It's got a helicopter, a crane. What I like, these little buildings. Look at this. Isn't that cool? Yeah, and they even have a lighthouse. Here we go. Look at that, huh? Pretty cool, huh? Art Deco theater from like the 1930s. Pretty neat, huh? Oh, he has an extension on it this year. And you got this train yard right here. And he has a replica of the American Air Power Museum. That's in Farmingdale, Long Island. It used to be Republic Airport. Back at the in the war days, they made Grumman and Republic Fairchild. Yeah, they made planes on the island. That might throw a copyright now. But this is it. You get the idea here. It's a pretty cool setup, huh? You guys might remember American Flyer. That was a competitor, I believe, of Lionel. It had a different kind of track. Yeah. I don't know if he's got any here. I think it had 2 rails, but it was a real big track. An American Flyer train set. Probably very collectible today. Here we go. Guys, this is my art teacher from high school, Mrs. Graber. She's here today at the concert. She's a really good artist, right? And yeah, she's retired now. But back in the day, I had her in school when I was in like 10th grade, I think. Yeah, 10th grade art.
So many years ago.
Yeah.
1991?
Something like that. 1990 or 89. Like, yeah, she's still here and she's doing well. It's great to see you again.
Thank you so much.
Okay, guys, here's a 4K clip. We're not getting cheap on you. Not getting cheap on you. 4K of the trains. The military tribute train. The trolleys running. Yeah, that's amazing to meet my art teacher. She is in her 90s. She's amazing. You wouldn't know it. You would not know it. Check this out. The horns going, the Polar Express under the platform. The radar even works. They have steam coming out of that locomotive. I don't know if it shows up on the video. Check out the vintage gas station. It's like Route 66. Hit the thumbs up, your friend, New York Dan. Yeah. I'll try to show you the smoke coming out of this locomotive here. If it's going to come out on. It's hard to see it.